God created man in his own image. Male and female, he created them.
We're in a terrible crisis of manhood, and motherhood is seen as a threat. You can't convert the world with the strike of a pen. These guys are tested to the absolute limits of their manhood.
Christianus sum quam vos, siete me quoquem martyrem in Christu Jesu esse.
Aliud me dicere non possum, nisi quod sum Christiana.
We can't be martyrs on our own power.
And so the strength to suffer the unimaginable comes not from ourselves, but from Christ.
The winter is severe, but paradise is sweet.
Today it is I who suffer. Tomorrow, another will suffer in me.